The third quarter has proved to be a very good quarter for the real estate industry. According to the latest data shared by CBRE, they've said that they have seen a 46% rise in housing sales quarter on quarter in the months of July to September. And if we compare it to the previous year data in the same period, it's an 86% upside this time. Similarly, on the new launch side also, they have witnessed 37% new launches as compared to the previous quarter, which is nearly around 48,900 units, which is very close to how many units were sold, which were nearly for 50,000 units that was sold in this period, which means that there's a very similar balance between the new supply and the sales, and this has given rise to some more inventory in the sector. According to previous reports by Analog for the same quarter, they said that they have seen a 4% annual appreciation in the prices, given the situation that the steel prices, the cement prices have gone up, and the input costs have gone up, which has led to an 84% rise in the prices. Analog also said that there's been a gradual shift from affordable segment to the mid and high-end segment. People during the pandemic have realized their need for a larger home, and this is why one of the reasons why the new supply is also coming up in these segments only. People have realized the need for a larger home, but that does not mean that the work from home culture is going to continue for a long time. It's more likely to be a hybrid culture, and one of the reasons why office leasing space activity has picked up. CBRE says that in the previous quarter, they have seen a 140% Q on Q growth in the office leasing activity, and it is now at 13.5 million square feet. For the whole year till now, till September end, it reached up to 25 million square feet. The sentiments have turned up, the sentiments are now positive. However, the leasing activity is still a little below the pre-pandemic level. If you compare it to the warehousing and logistics and other segments, there too it has picked up in the retail segment, fashion, apparel, e-commerce, and supermarkets have started coming up, and that is one of the reasons why office space leasing activity is picking up. This all was a review of how the third quarter was. But now, if you take a look at how this festive season was, Night Frank has given out a report specifically on Bombay and how the sales have been in Mumbai this time. They have said that the housing sales in October this time are best in the last 10 seasons, in the last 10 years. And they have sold nearly 8,576 flats, and units have been sold in Mumbai in this October. Similarly, in the first week of November, which happened to be the Diwali week, where many registration offices were closed, even that time, the stamp registrations have witnessed nearly 1,441 houses were registered and stamp registrations were done, which has proved to be a very positive upside for the sector. The Night Frank thinks that given this data, they could